To fabricate an ocular prosthesis, which is the artificial eye, the first step is to take the impression of the patient's eye. As you can see, we are going to be using an alginate to take the impression of the patient's eye. So we've mixed our alginate now. Mixing the alginate. Then we pour the alginate into the syringe, as you can see in this video. After pouring the alginate into the syringe, you attach the ocular impression tray to the syringe, as you can see. Then place it into the eye socket of the patient and inject the impression material through the ocular impression tray until the socket of the patient's eye is filled up. Allow the impression to set appropriately. Now the impression is set, and you can go ahead to detach from the socket of the patient's eye. Detaching the impression tray with the impression material from the patient's eye socket. And this is what we have as the negative replica of the patient's eye socket. Now we are done with the impression taking of the patient's eye, and we are going to cast the impression. We take the impression to the lab and mix the dental stone. After mixing the dental stone, you pour on a clean slab, as you can see in this video. Then you place the impression of the patient's eye on the dental stone, as you can see in this video. You place it appropriately. After placing the impression, you allow it to set. Allow the dental stone to set. After setting, apply a separating medium on the surface of the dental stone and also on the impression taken. Apply a separating medium. Then mix another dental stone and pour on top of it, as you can see in this video. Allow it to set. Then you make a pencil mark to pass through the first cast and the second cast. This will serve as a guide in repositioning the casts at will. Now this is the mold of the impression after it has been set, and we are going to bring out the tray and the impression material that was used. So this is the mold, the impression tray and the impression. So this is how to fabricate an ocular prosthesis, like the first stage from the impression taking to the casting of the impression. See you in our next video. Bye.